In this guide, I'll show you how to download free games on your Windows PC using the Microsoft Store. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store by clicking the search icon on your taskbar, typing Microsoft Store, and opening the app. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click Gaming from the menu on the left to view all available games. Next, browse the free game section or use the search bar if you're looking for a specific game. When you find a game you'd like to play, click on it to open its details page. Now click the Get button to start downloading and installing the game. Just wait for the installation to finish. Once it's ready, click Play to launch the game. You can also find it anytime from your Start menu. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a free game on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.